Hi, this is Kinjal here. I am part of DDEP CMO Hackers team, and the other team members are Santosh Sharma, Revati Palanichami, and Ramandeep Singh Bhatia. We would first of all like to thank Macquarie University, Tata Consultancy Services, and Westpac for providing us an opportunity to participate in this hackathon. We have selected the challenge 3, which is the cognitive recommender system. We have come up with a recommender system which will provide a recommendation to the customer based on his location, based on the subscription that he has, and it will also provide a spending pattern. Eventually, we will also cover the Azure PaaS reference architecture and the recommender system reference architecture. So these are some of the offers which the customer will be able to see. The first one is with respect to the cab offers for Uber, Didi, or Ola app. So I'll take one example where banking app, right, will request the customer to provide access, to allow the access to the location, the customer location. Once the customer grants the consent, when the customer books a Uber cab, right, at 8 a.m. from North Sydney to Barangaru for few days, what happens is bank has the details that there is a transaction happening with Uber around 8:15 a.m. every day, and it also has the location access to the customer location. So on once there is sufficient data available, right, what the bank will do, it will try to access the Ola and the Didi APIs, and it will try to calculate the estimate for Thursday, right. If you try to book a cab with Didi, it might be cheaper to you, and it will send a notification to the customer, which will eventually lead to some savings for the customer, and banks might also earn a small commission for partnership with the cab apps. And this is how the offer will be shown. The next one is when a customer books any sporting event or any play, the location based offers would be there. So the bank would come to know that there is a transaction that has happened with Ticketek, and there is some event happening in SCG around on 26th of December at 6 p.m. So the moment the customer leaves the house, the bank will come to know, and it will try to provide these three notifications that this is how to navigate to SCG. If you want to pre-book the parking near the SCG, and some restaurant offers. Again, it would be beneficial to the customer, and banks might earn some commission, and this is how the offers would look like. Moving on to the next one is the moment the customer enters Woolworth, because the location is available with the bank might provide a recommendation saying that if you go with Coles or Aldi or IGA, you might get certain half price offers, and this is how the offer will be shown the moment the customer enters Woolworth. The fourth one is the subscription based offers which would be provided to the customer. So if customer is on Telstra for a few months, the bank can provide a recommendation either to go with Vodafone or Optus based on the offer that is available, or if the customer is on Energy Australia, try to provide him an offer on AGL, and this is how the offer will be looking like. So based on the subscription. Also, the recommender system will try to provide an guesstimate of what or how much you will spend in the next few months based on analysis of what has been done in the past. Now, how this reference, how the recommendation will be provided, there is a high level reference architecture. So we are recommending an Azure platform as a service based architecture. So we have these many components available in Azure. This is not a complete view, a few highlight of it. And what we recommend is we build a ETL pipeline where we ingest the real-time data, the semi-structured, unstructured data, all the data into the Azure Data Factory, Databricks, and eventually store the data into Azure Data Lake. And the recommender system, what it will do is the Azure cache will be having the pre-computed product affinities for the customer. If it is not having, it will try to run some machine learning algorithm and try to predict that if the customer is going for Uber, it will try to provide a offer for Didi. So how this particular function will do, it will try to access this as an input, Azure machine learning as the input, and the Cosmos DB as the input. All these three will be taken as an input, and it will be given back to the customer. It will also store the data to the Azure Event Hub, and eventually it will do some aggregation, and the data is stored back and fed back to the recommender system. This is how the recommendation will be made. The business value will be the bank to partner with cab vendors. The users will benefit because the offers are in real time. We are building a next gen futuristic Azure PaaS based model. It's a very simplistic design because it is a notification, and it's a win-win situation for all. Thank you, everyone.